Hi, good morning to everyone and to myself. Okay, so it's been a while na I haven't uploaded here sa YouTube kasi it's very challenging to make a video and when you're thinking how and what topics. I just realized lately because I watch some videos about YouTube. So right now it's I'm considering the advantage and the reason why I should do and record this video. And what really pushes me to do this, like just push record, kasi what I learned recently is that it's not just about making content, but it's also like you're recording your past, you're recording um, your life. So I think it's a video journal, something like that. So right now I'm just for those lang no, who don't know me yet. So I'm Mark, and then I'm the owner of this channel. If you can see, pero hindi nyo na makita ngayon kasi I already deleted some of the videos that I have here. Yung mga Kappa updates dati, if you remember Kappa, this is actually the the topic, the content that I have before. Random lang siya, gagawa ako ng mga comment or mag-re-upload ako ng mga videos from yung mga radio station dati. And yeah, I earned from doing that. That was I forgot when. I'm sorry, but yeah, I think that's before the pandemic. So so right now I'm planning to proceed with my YouTube, but I will treat this parang lightly na lang. I mean, dili na ako ma-pressure na way. Ayoko na ma-pressure in terms of monetization, but rather parang treat this as yung kumbaga yung my avenue to develop my skills, especially in communication, since it's been a while that I'm not, standing in front of people. And also that's very important for me to do because as a team leader, for those who don't know, I'm a team leader here sa isang BPO company. Hindi ko muna i-mention ngayon, but that's my background because one of also the purpose of future purpose of doing this video is that to also help people around there that you know wants to know about working in a call center, ganyan, mga tips and tricks or ideas. So a lot of it based on kung ano talaga yung pwede kong i-share based on kung ano yung life ko, background ko. So I may not be the best uh, the person kasi marami naman talaga mga content creator that shares skills, I mean the how to apply and to do this, do that. But maybe there's something that I could share. Also being a team leader here and a way to success. So yun, just a life update for today. Since I just want to remind myself as well. In the future, maybe I can, if I rewatch this video of mine. So today, for just for record keeping, it's March 7. But anyway, makikita naman to sa video. But March 7, it's 3:12 in the morning, and that's 3:12 or 2:12 ito PM sa EST. Since we're working for US clients, particularly sa New York, we're in doon nakalocate yung client namin. So, but by next week, March 10, mag-aano na to, going back to ano na kami, yung same time, DST, mag-i-end na siya. So, that would be 3 na. And anyway, So for today, since also to let you know and to remind myself that nag-study ko ngayon, nagsa-study ako, so absent ako today. Kasi nakakapagod or pagod ako because, something happened today, something we did with my wife is bumili kami ng bagong TV. Remembrance for my loan, my first loan with the SSS, and yeah, we're glad. The kids were very happy. We bought it in the morning, tapos I installed it. So it took me a few hours and nakatulog ako kanina 5 na. So I slept ano lang 6, 7, 8, 9 because it's almost 9 gumising ako. Hindi talaga complete of 4 hours but 3 minutes before 9 nagising ako kanina. So that's yun lang yung tulog ko ngayon. So sleepy but kumain ako kanina and drank coffee. And also for the update about dito sa work, I have just a few meetings. We're talking about the training that we will do for my upcoming new agents or new pros. Pros pala tawag namin dito sa mga agents namin. So we'll be doing a training for next week. And then I'm included, sali ako dyan. Okay. So I think that's for today. Yeah. Um, and I'll be planning to do specific na mga topics after this video. And thank you so much.